At Elcom, we understand time is of the essence. And when you can't risk having your most critical systems down, you need someone you can count on. If it's critical, it's Elcom. We specialize in the rapid delivery of high-quality wired, wireless, and industrial connectivity products to support our customers' growing projects in industries spanning the globe, including military, medical, energy, R&D, government, and telecommunications. We accomplish this by maintaining a vast inventory of products that are in stock and available for same-day shipping. Our centrally located warehouses in the US store millions of components and assemblies to help you get the job done. We provide same-day shipping on thousands of products, including cable assemblies, adapters, connectors, NEMA enclosures, antennas, IoT sensors, surge protectors, and more. And we're always adding new products to our portfolio to support emerging technologies and applications. If you can't find what you need off the shelf, we lead the industry with our quick-turn custom products with low to no minimum order quantities. With more than 40 years in the industry, we know that fulfilling your urgent requests is more than just giving you the products you need on time. It's providing the support you need to build success. So, we provide expert technical support and 24/7 customer service to ensure you're supported throughout every stage of your project. If it's critical, it's Elcom.